Another video, man. We got a new mod on the crossfire today, guys, so y'all just stick around, man, so I can show y'all what I got. It's pretty much a rear diffuser shark fins, so we will be installing that today, guys. I want to go ahead and show y'all what they look like. They are carbon fiber. I did get these from eBay, guys. They were about maybe 20 bucks on eBay. If you guys don't know me, man, I shop on eBay for everything I have, so they got good stuff, man. Good quality, nice carbon fiber patterns and everything. So if y'all in the need of carbon fiber parts, go check them out, man. eBay is the way to go. Free shipping too, man. So let's get to this video. I appreciate y'all. I'm back. So what y'all want to do first, guys, when you order these from eBay, they're gonna have a tab here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so they have a little tab. Don't think that it's just one screw that goes in. It's two of them, guys. So what you got to do, this one pretty much goes like that. It's like a cover, so you pretty much have to take a flathead and just pry it up, and then this will come off. That way you can put that screw in there. So I'm thinking maybe pretty much gonna go like something like that. What y'all think, man? Something like that. I know it's gonna be too, I know it can't be going way down here, so I'm gonna try to put it something like that. Put it something like that, and then the second one goes. The second one goes in this area right here. So it's gonna be two of them, guys. Two on each side. So yeah, two on each side. So let's go ahead and start with one. And basically what I'm gonna do, guys, we got these little screws that come with it. So you got two screws on each diffuser. So you got two screws, guys, and you're gonna want to use a fillet screwdriver for this application. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and mark that first one up, and let's see if it's turning. Nope, it's not turning yet. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that first one up, and pretty much, guys, you can use your own body pressure to get this on here, and that's basically what I'm gonna do. So it's looking pretty good right about there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making pressure, and it's not that hard, guys. Just push in, and then eventually it'll start going in. And that's all I'm doing, guys. So as you guys can see, it's going in pretty good. So it's going in pretty good, guys. Mosquitoes coming out. So I want to line that up, make sure it's lined up pretty good. I would say about, let me see, about right there maybe. So I wanted to go ahead and mark this one up first, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark up the second one. That way we can get a good idea on how straight they're gonna be, because I want to get them straight as I can. So I think that's pretty good right there. Like I said, guys, these is a real easy installation that you can ever do. Real easy, real simple, guys. You really don't need an instruction book or anything like that. You really don't need none of that, guys. So what we're gonna do is line them two up together. We're gonna line them up and get them straight as we can get them, and that's gonna be good to go, guys. I think that's pretty good right there. So what we're gonna do now, I'm not gonna put the cover on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and go with these deals here. Go ahead and screw them in, and let's start on the other side. This is the finished product. Just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. As you guys can see, carbon fiber. It's has a gloss finish to it. So, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, guys. Got the other carbon fiber pieces on here. Yeah, it looks pretty good, guys. Y'all drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think. And I got some quad tips coming, so y'all just stay tuned, man. But let's see what it looks like when the car goes down, and that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Man, she look good or what? Y'all let me know. Drop a comment down below, man. Drop a comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think, man. Go ahead and give y'all a full walk around real quick. King's Life, I'm signing out. See you guys in the next video. Peace.